What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Ride the Six Motorcycle channel. We're back working on the MV Agusta F3 again. The last video we did, we put the Puig tinted windscreen on. So there is a second item in the box, and you're not going to be able to tell by the actual box itself. It's also from Puig, and we're going to be putting this on the MV Agusta today. Stay tuned, guys. It's going to be awesome. I've waited so long to get this even unboxed. Like, I've had this for probably 2 months. I've been busy filming other videos. But yeah, today it's a nice rainy winter day here in Canada. And we're going to open this baby up. And we're going to put it on the bike. I'm also going to be giving away a Puig T-Shirt at the end of this video. So I'm going to tell you how to do that. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, so we're going to open this up on my little workspace here in the garage. So the box does have security seals on the box, so you can tell if it's been tampered or not. I have not even cracked the security seals on the box here, guys. So yeah, let's get her opened up. Alright, so we got some little bubble packaging. Everything's pretty much individually wrapped here, guys, in pieces. So they're not going to get scraped up or scratched up in shipping. But yeah, let's open up the bags, guys, so we can see what we have. Alright, so there's the first piece. Ooh, nice and shiny. Black to match the bike. This one here is going to be the other side, I believe. Yeah, so there we go. There's the other side. Alright. Next piece. I have to slice this one. So that's cool. And there's also some black as well. So there's a set of red and a set of black. Here, we'll get this out of the way too. We'll just pop this. Make a little bit more space on my work table. Okay. Alright, so we do have a little instruction booklet, and we have a couple brackets, and we got the hardware. I'll show you a picture, but it's kind of black and white, so it's not going to be, you're not going to be able to tell very much. Alright, guys, so let's start looking at getting this stuff on the bike. Alright, so I've separated all the hardware out. There's some longer screws, some little nylon washers, some black washers. There's a whole whack of different stuff here, guys. So these are the instructions. So the instructions aren't great. I wish it was a little bit better, but you know, I think I'll be able to manage to install this stuff. You just put it together, and if something doesn't fit, you go back. Alright, guys, let's get to it. Let's get on the bike. Alright, so first things first, we're going to start on the left side, and we're going to pull out these two fairings bolts. They're actually fairly long. One. Alright, so the first thing we need to install are the brackets. So this one's, it's marked here, left and right, the brackets. And we're going to use the longer bolts and the black rubber washers, I guess, to not scratch the fairings. And also take note that the brackets actually have some adhesive padding on behind them, also to not scratch the fairings. So let's go ahead, let's try to get this first bracket installed. So this is a 3mm little T-handle. Okay, so they're starting to come tight. So yeah, if you guys are worried about scratching up your fairings by installing these things, I don't think that's going to be the case, because like the rubber washers and grommets and the adhesive backing on the brackets, I think you're going to be fine. Initially, that was what I was worried about. I'm like, oh, it's going to sit here on the bike, and you know, maybe they'll scratch the fairings. But I don't think that's going to be the case, guys. I think these guys have already thought of that for you. Okay, I'm not sure how tight to tighten these. I'm just going to snug it up. Okay, so there we go. Pretty tight. The first bracket's on. Let's get the next piece. Yeah, so we're going to install the wing plates on the bracket and everything before we put it on the bike. It's going to make your life a lot easier, guys. I thought initially it would just be piece by piece, but this is the way I'm going to do it. Not saying you can't do it another way, but make your life easy. This is a 2.5 hex, and you need a 7mm socket on the back to hold it. So 7mm ratchet on the back, and our 2.5 Allen key T-handle on the front. These are lock nuts on the back here too, guys. They're nylon lock nuts, so they should not loosen off. Alright, and let's put this back on the bike now. So let's mount the wing plate and the little winglet all at the same time onto the bike. This is going to be your easiest way. Okay, just tighten it all down. Don't need stuff flopping around. Alright, there we go, guys. Our first MV Agusta F3 wing downforce spoiler is installed. Take a look what it looks like from the front. Let's start working on the right side of the bike. So exactly the same as the other side, nothing changes. First thing to come off is the two front fairing bolts. We're not going to touch that third one. So let's get this on the bike. So again, this one's labeled right, so can't get them wrong, guys. Right and left, just follow the instructions. Okay, there they go. They're starting to come tight. Good enough. Okay. Brackets on. Alright, let's pre-assemble our winglet. Don't think they're going anywhere, but we'll lock them down. Okay, so again, I've used the little nylon plastic washers out of my original MV bolts. We're going to use that on the top part. And then underneath we're going to use the rubber washers that was supplied in the kit. Alright, let's get this in place. Okay, first one's lined up. Okay, let's tighten them down. Alright, there we go, guys. There's our spoiler, or our downforce spoiler on this side. It's kind of cool. There's a little Puig emblem here on this side. It's not on the other side, only on this side. And then we'll just peel off that little sticker there. Alright guys, so here's a view from the front. You could see it definitely gives the bike a wider appearance and some downforce. Now, will it's only come into use on the track? Maybe, maybe not, but I think it looks cool. Maybe not everybody thinks it looks cool. Maybe not everybody likes the fins on the bikes. I think you're going to see the fins a lot more on standard motorcycles. So if you don't like them, you're probably going to end up taking them off. But yeah, there's a look, guys. That's the Puig Downforce spoilers for the MV Agusta F3. I'm so happy to finally have them on the bike. I would love to take the bike outside and give you a better, some better lighting conditions and stuff, but it's literally 1 degree Celsius here today, so it's not going to happen. I don't want to take it outside in the cold. Anyways, guys, I am going to be giving away this Puig T-shirt, so leave a comment below in the video and use the hashtag Puig, P-U-I-G, behind your comment, and that will enter you into the draw for this T-shirt. I'll be doing the draw probably in a couple weeks, maybe around the 12th or December 12th, somewhere there. And yeah, but that's how you win the T-shirt, guys. It doesn't matter where you are. Like, I'll send it wherever. Hopefully you're not in you know, Pakistan or somewhere too far off. But yeah, so win the t-shirt, guys. Leave a comment. Hashtag Puig. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe. Good luck on the t-shirt, and see you on the next video.